I know what you feel. You've seen a couple of videos on online arbitrage and you decided to try by stalking storefronts as you were advised. You spent hours going from storefront to storefront and you found 0 profitable products. Boo, online arbitrage must be dead. This ends now. Thank the Lord you finally stumbled upon this channel, because I'm finally going to tell the truth. Storefront stalking sucks. And I'm going to tell you why as a 6-figure seller, I almost never reverse source. Let's go. 99.9% of the products that you're going to find while reverse sourcing are either slow sellers, product that tanks, or product that you just cannot find anymore at a good enough price. Why is that, you may ask? When you do online arbitrage the good way, a good chunk of the products that you find will come from limited time sales. By the time the product you just found appeared on the storefront you are stalking, the seller had to receive the product, ship it to FBA warehouse, the product had to get checked in, and then become available for you to stumble upon. This is going to take at least 2 weeks, and the sale or coupon that made this product a very good lead is more than likely not available anymore. Either this or you are stalking someone like me. The product you found on my storefront will probably be out of stock because I just bought all the stock that was available on that listing, so noobs like you cannot tank my listing. Plus, I hiked the price by 500% as there's no more competition. Shout out my dog Martin Shkreli for paving the way for us. But finally, here's the truth that will set you free. Stop hunting for products, hunt for sales and coupons. I'm going to release a video on this specific subject in the next couple of days, so depending on when you see this video, it may already be available. Make sure to subscribe so you do not miss it, and check the pinned comment because I will link it over there once it is available. But let's rewind a little bit. What did I say exactly about reverse sourcing? And I'm going to tell you why as a 6-figure seller, I almost never reverse source. Keyword almost. I do reverse source from time to time, but not as you guys do it. I go on seller storefront that are on my listing and I look for 2 things. The first one, brands that I don't know or never sold so I can look into them. 2, products that I don't know from brands or product line that I know. I'm going to take notes of all of that and add it to my lead bank. Even if I cannot sell them today, I know that in the future when that brand or that category goes in sale, I may be able to make a profit. Even if I cannot source them today, I know that in the future when the brand may go on sale or where the specific product line or category goes in sale, I will be able to find the product easily and make a profit. So let me give you an example. Let's say I find on one of my competitors like a pair of Nike soccer cleats. I'm going to add them to my lead bank with all the sources, all the websites where I can find this specific product, even if it's not profitable today. So for example, let's say I can find a product on Nike.com, since it's a Nike product, on Dix.com, on Academy.com. I will add all that into my lead bank. So now I'm going to wait patiently until I find a coupon or a sale for that product category or for that brand on a specific website. And boom, this product that was not profitable 5 weeks ago is now making a lot of money. And I would have never found it on that day if I was reverse sourcing the same seller, because he's probably out of stock by now. Now, if you are ready to take your first steps and launch your online arbitrage business, check this video on how to use Keepa for online arbitrage. I'll see you in the next one.